Welcome to U.S. History class, brought to you by homeschoolamericanhistory.com. This tutorial will help you understand how to complete the course through the Google Classroom platform. Course objectives. My hope is that you will gain a strong understanding of how the American nation developed from the original colonies to the 21st century. In addition, the material is designed to help you see the relationship between faith and history. While creation confirms the existence of God, history reveals the need for a savior. How does Google Classroom work? Google Classroom is a stable and easy-to-use learning platform. You will first receive an invite to the classroom via email. Once enrolled, the main page of the classroom will be revealed containing access to the stream and classwork. These tabs are located at the top of the page. The stream contains course instructions, and the Coursework tab will provide you with access to all the course resources. The Coursework tab is what you will use most often. Coursework. In order to access course resources, click the Coursework tab at the top. You will now see all the course units and subtopics. Click on a topic like Activities Package, the Original Colonies, and it will be expanded to reveal instructions and resource files. Completing coursework. Next, open the topic package on the original colonies. You will see a multi-page worksheet with different activities. These activities can be completed by following the package instructions and accessing other files such as narrated lectures, which are also attached. Text boxes have already been created for you to type in your own responses to each question. Google Drive and Coursework. After you open a course package, an individual copy of the file is automatically created for you within your Google Classroom Drive folder. Your work is automatically saved here, and you can continue your work on the package at any time by opening it up within your Google Classroom folder. Sharing work with your parents. To make marking easier for your parent, be sure to share access to the Google Classroom Drive folder with them. This can be done from within your folder by selecting Share and adding their email address. Scheduling. A time estimation is provided within the heading of each unit. In addition, daily time allocation is listed for each activity below its instructions. This brings us to the end of our tutorial. If you have any questions regarding accessing resources or anything else throughout the course, be sure to contact me through email. I hope that you enjoy the course.